the dirty little secret is a lot of this ready-to-drink stuff, you can't buy on SNAP benefits. The other ones. We've already secured 100,000 doses at call it roughly $2 a dose, $2 a meal. So we're probably spending $500 a day now, just so we have it. Now that more people know we have it, more people are asking for it. So we're distributing through DC Police, we're distributing through our fridges, we're distributing through direct delivery methods to moms and families.
I will be delivering it on my street. I have a young girl in my neighborhood, and she just had a baby, and I took some formula to her, and she really appreciated it.